Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change the audio on Instagram after posting. Open up Instagram. Go into your profile from the bottom right corner. Click on your post. Then tap on three dots from the top right corner. Click on Edit to edit the post. Then go back to your profile and open up Reels. Click on any reel you posted. Tap on three dots of the reel. Then click on the Manage option. From Manage, tap on Edit. As you can see, you can change the music like this. So just go to the reel in the gallery. And then post it back on your Instagram with the music or audio you want. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.